It's another beautiful day here in the Shire, and you've just been invited to another holiday party. And it's this evening, and you're supposed to bring something yummy. There's no time to bake, no time to shop, but there is something you can whip up fast, and it'll taste like you spent the whole day making it. Denmark figured this one out back in the 1940s, but it has the flavor complexity of something straight out of a modern posh bakery. Today, Renee's making
Havregrynskugler. You're probably familiar with the no-bake cookie. Yummy, but not very pretty. This is the fancy European cousin who's come for dinner. No baking, no boiling, and it comes together in no time. Just pantry staples rolled into something rich and a little more refined. And then we dress it up for a night out to impress. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make them. First step, going to get a bowl, and we're going to put some confectioner's sugar in, confectionery sugar. Oh, yes, that's good. Some butter. That is at room temperature. And some oats, quick oats, I think they're called. You can use, I took whole oats and put them in the food processor and pulverize them just a bit to give them, still give them texture, but not to have them give that awful chunky bite. So we're gonna put this in here. And then you just stir this. This is really easy recipe. You know, this is one of those things that I think would actually work better with my hands. So we're going to do it this way. Just get that butter all mixed in there. Okay, that's coming together nicely now. We still have to mix some more with the cocoa. And then I'm going to sprinkle this cocoa over the top. Stir it in a little bit. Cocoa will clump sometimes, so you just want to make sure you don't get that all blobbed into one spot. So we're going to stir that a little bit. Get this all mixed together. All right, and then traditionally this calls for coffee, and this is very strong coffee. I made a couple of espressos here, but you can substitute some of this liquid for rum flavoring, rum, vanilla, cream. You can whatever you want to do, but I'm going to make it the way that I understand the traditional way. We're going to put that in, and then we're going to stir this together. And if it stays this dry, you can add a little bit more. Oh, that's looking good. We're just going to stir and make sure we don't have clumps of butter in there. Okay, as you can see, everything is mixed together. We do have some oats that have remained big enough so that the texture is there, but it's not going to be a horrible mouthfeel. All right. So I am going to let that sit for just a couple of minutes while we put a few toppings together for this, and then I'll show you how to get these into cookie form. All right, your turn. If you had to bring something to a holiday party today, what would you show up with? Tell me in the comments below. Is it homemade, store-bought, a secret family quick classic? I want to know what you'd present to your holiday host. You can make these any size you want. For uniformity's sake, I'm going to take an ice cream scoop, and we're gonna make these rounder, but I'm gonna just take these out and put them on the parchment paper. We're gonna do a couple of different things with these today. All right, perfect. They're perfect. Oh, yay. The way I've read that these are traditionally made is with coconut. So I have coconut here, and I also put this in the food processor because all I had were the long pieces, and I just like the mouthfeel of this a little bit better. So what I'm going to do with these, we're going to make a few of these. So I'm just going to round these up a little bit and then put these in and just run them through the coconut and then put them back on. We'll do 4 more of these, and then I'm going to show you a couple of other ideas I had. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take some cocoa, put it in my sifter, some confectionery sugar, some cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne. Cayenne and chocolate go extremely well together. The cayenne actually, if you get this perfectly done, the cayenne actually brings out the flavor of the chocolate with a little bit of bite behind. So I'm going to put just a pinch, and I'll taste it after just to make sure I'm happy with it. And the same with black pepper. We're going to give it a little zing here. So, and I am going to pinch that because I don't want as much of that in there. Okay. Basically, this is just a flavored truffle powder. Oh, that smells good. Okay, so now we've got some truffle magic. We have truffle magic. And I'm just going to bury that in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, yummy. Those look good too. And then I have another idea. Just plain granulated sugar, which is one of my favorite things to drop anything in. So we're just gonna put a light coating of sugar. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. And you can also use bigger chunks of sugar. That would also work really well with these. And last but not least, I am going to try some of these Watkins rainbow sprinkles. I've never used them before. They have no dye. I'm not a big sprinkles or food coloring fan, but in thinking of the kids, I know my grandkids would love this. And so I'm going to try a few in these sprinkles. And I don't know if they make red and green but these look like they would be a really, oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's awesome. Yay. Oh, they're going to love them. Oh my gosh, this is fun. Oh, look, they look so cute. All right, after I wash my hands and get them on a cookie tray, I'm going to put them in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes, and then we're going to test them. You don't have to do that. You can eat them soft like this, but I have this feeling they taste great a little bit cold. So
roll me up in cocoa love, no heat, no fuss, just stars above. Dress me fine in flakes of snow, I'm the treat that steals the show.
I'm very excited about these. Yay, they look really good. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna go get these out of the refrigerator now and we'll give them a taste.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Kugler has entered the building.
Oh yeah, and they're nice and firm. Oh boy. All right, so we're gonna give one of these a try and take a look at what's inside. These are so, oh my word, the coffee comes through. There's a chew. They are smooth, but they've got texture. Oh, you can do so many things with these. These are delicious. Denmark, you win. This is amazing. I can't tell you how great the coffee taste is. All right. Let's try another one of these. I was only going to try one, but let's try one with the hot spices in them. Oh, look at them. They look so good. All right, let's try this. This is, oh, that truffle. The The balls are amazing. The flavor, I bet they'd be good all by themselves. They are so good. Look at the texture. It's like smooth. This is actually like almost fudgy. And then you've got this chew. I did not expect this. I just thought it was it is so flavorful. Oh, if you took these anywhere, these would be gone in like a minute. It's like no bake cookie I've ever made. This is amazing. I hope you try these, and I hope they work out for your holidays this year. Thank you.
Ready for seconds? Don't put your spoon down yet. Tap this video and Renee will meet you there.